In Israel, the siren is modern, but the instinct that follows is ancient.
Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad.
When fear travels through the air, many Israelis answer with the
Some people check the news, others check the shelters, and some open the Psalms.
Baruch Hashem.
For many Jewish families, faith is not taught during peace. It is practiced during fear.
Israel trains soldiers with modern equipment, but many still leave the room the same way their grandparents did.
When sirens rise, many Israelis move toward the same place, their prayers. In a land where history never sleeps, even the youngest learn where to turn. In Israel, faith is not only inherited, it is practiced together.
Different accents, histories, but the same ancient words.
In Israel, the sirens may be new, but the prayers are thousands of years old.
Let your soul speak. Every prayer is heard.